7 meal prep dinner ideas for healthy weight loss. Hi, and welcome back to my channel Healthy Bites. Prepping your meals in advance is a super smart way to keep your health and weight loss goals in check. It saves you time, helps you stay neat and tidy, and guarantees that you're eating healthy meals all week long. This batch of recipes is filled with drool-worthy dinner ideas that not only taste amazing, but also support your journey to shedding pounds. Number 1. High-protein turkey quinoa and pepper, 400 calories. The high-protein turkey quinoa and pepper dish is legit delicious, and it's super healthy too. With only 400 calories, this meal is packed with lean ground turkey, scrumptious quinoa, and colorful bell peppers that make it totally insta-worthy. Turkey is an amazing source of lean protein, while quinoa is loaded with protein and essential nutrients that your body needs. Plus, the bell peppers add a pop of color and are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants to keep everything functioning properly. Whether you're watching your waistline or just looking for delicious and healthy food, this high-protein turkey quinoa and pepper recipe is a no-brainer. Number 2. Beef and broccoli, 350 calories. Craving something delicious but don't want to break your calorie bank? Try out the classic beef and broccoli. This dish is loaded with flavor, but won't sabotage your health goals. Coming in at a cold 350 calories, you'll love the combo of tender beef and crunchy broccoli, which makes for a totally balanced and satisfying meal. Plus, you'll get a nice dose of protein from the lean beef and a solid hit of vitamins and fiber from broccoli. It's all brought together by a killer sauce that's jam-packed with savory goodness. So go ahead and indulge in this tasty dish without worrying about overdoing it. It's proof that healthy eating can still be delish. Number 3. Roasted vegetable with quinoa, 290 calories. It's all about the flavorful goodness you're craving, but at only 290 calories, you can indulge guilt-free. This recipe packs in a bunch of colorful veggies like peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, all roasted to perfection so that their natural sweetness shines through. Plus, there's protein-rich quinoa to give it that extra filling power. Not only is it great to feed your body all the nourishment it needs, but it's also a yummy way to get in your daily dose of veggies. Don't sacrifice taste for health. Try the roasted vegetable with quinoa recipe today. Number 4. Meal prep salmon and asparagus, 280 calories. This recipe for salmon and asparagus is just too good to miss. It's both delicious and nutritious, and it won't wreck your diet either. With its 280 calorie count, this dish harmoniously blends succulent salmon fillets with tender asparagus to create an incredibly filling and well-balanced meal. With omega-3 fatty acids and top-quality protein from the salmon and lots of vitamins and minerals from the asparagus, you can rest assured you're not skimping on the good stuff. And with addition of a refreshing lemon dressing, the flavor combo is seriously unbeatable. If you're a seafood fan or just looking for something packed filled with nutrients and flavor, don't miss out on this one. Its low calorie count makes it the perfect guilt-free for indulgence. Number 5. Vegan chickpea with spinach recipe, 320 calories. This vegan chickpea with spinach recipe is an absolute winner. It's a super tasty dish that only packs 320 calories. This recipe is a perfect combo of protein-filled chickpeas and a vibrant spinach, giving you a filling and satisfying meal. Chickpeas are a great source of fiber and plant-based protein, while spinach brings a truckload of vitamins and essential minerals. And the spices and tangy lemon juice enhance its flavor profile. If you're looking for a wholesome and balanced meal that won't pile up the calories, this vegan chickpea and spinach recipe is a top pick. It's a fantastic demonstration of how plant-based ingredients can be both nourishing and scrumptious, making it a popular dish among vegans and health enthusiasts alike. Number 6. Chicken with salad, 400 calories. Chicken with salad is a delicious and nutritious combination that satisfies hunger while keeping the calorie count at a modest 400. This dish pairs lean and protein-rich chicken breast with a fresh and vibrant salad. The chicken breasts provide a good source of high-quality protein while being low in calories. The salad, typically made with a variety of colorful vegetables, adds essential vitamins and minerals and fiber to the meal. Whether it's a grilled chicken salad or a mixed green salad with diced chicken, this dish offers a satisfying and balanced option for those seeking a wholesome and lighter meal. It's a go-to choice for individuals looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on taste or satiety. Number 7. Tofu with green beans, 400 calories. Tofu with green beans is a nutritious and flavorful dish that comes in at just 400 calories. This recipe combines protein-packed tofu with crisp and tender green beans, creating a satisfying and wholesome meal. Tofu is a versatile plant-based protein source that absorbs flavors well, making it a perfect companion to the vibrant green beans. The dish is typically seasoned with savory sauce or a blend of spices, adding depth and deliciousness to every bite. With its low calorie count, this tofu with green beans recipe is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a balanced and nourishing meal. It's a favorite among vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based options to their diet. And that concludes our list of 7 meal prep dinner ideas for healthy weight loss. Do you happen to know any meal prep dinner ideas for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!